Get comfy, understanding casual English phrases. Hello, everyone. Today we're diving into a cozy corner of the English language. We'll explore the phrase, get comfy, a common expression that's as warm and welcoming as a cup of tea on a rainy day. This phrase is not just about physical comfort. It's also about feeling at ease in a social context. So, let's snuggle into the nuances and usage of this delightful expression. Get comfy is a colloquial phrase that implies making oneself comfortable or relaxed in a particular setting. It can refer to physical comfort, like sitting in a soft chair, or to a state of mental ease, where you are invited to relax and be yourself. When someone tells you to get comfy, they're essentially saying, make yourself at home, and feel free to relax. In this section, we'll see how get comfy is used in everyday conversations. It's often used in casual settings among friends or family. For example, if you enter a friend's house and they say, get comfy, they might be inviting you to take off your coat, sit down, and unwind. In a more abstract sense, it could also mean to prepare for a long duration, like settling in for a movie night or a long chat. The phrase, get comfy, can be tweaked a bit to fit different contexts. Make yourself comfortable is a more formal variation, often used in professional settings like offices or when welcoming a guest to your home. On the flip side, kick back is an even more casual way to say, get comfy, with an added emphasis on total relaxation and leisure. Here, we'll explore the cultural subtleties surrounding the phrase. In English-speaking countries, especially in informal situations, ensuring guests are comfortable is a sign of hospitality. The phrase, get comfy, can also reflect a cultural value of ease and relaxation, indicative of a laid-back or friendly environment. Let's put get comfy into action with some examples. We've got a long drive ahead, so get comfy. Feel free to get comfy on the couch while I finish up dinner. I love coming here. You can just get comfy and be yourself. And there we have it. I hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and use of get comfy in everyday English. It's a phrase that captures the essence of comfort and ease, both physical and social. Now, as we end, why not get comfy and browse through our other videos for more English language tips? Until next time, take care and stay comfortable with your English learning journey.